Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off the new Google Chrome ad tracking system via settings. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. The Google Chrome ad tracking system is a feature that represents a fundamental shift in which Chrome will track user data for the benefit of advertisers. Now I am going to show you how to turn off ad tracking system. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. Now in address bar, type after settings /ad privacy p /ad privacy. Now hit enter. Look, here you will find an option add topic based on your browser history. Click on it. Just turn it off. Now go back. Second option is site suggested ads. Based on your activity on a site, this site is also on. Click on site suggested ad. Just turn it off. Again, go back. Ad measurement. Site and advertiser can understand how ad perform. Click on it and again turn it off. Now go back. All are turned off. This is the easy process to turn off ad tracking system in Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.